and lifestyle. Presented by Paradise Fitness Center, changing lives since 1996.
Howdy, welcome back to Health, Home, and Lifestyle. I'm here at Paradise Fitness Center where we're talking about the new mobile care clinic which is launching this Sunday. And I'm here with Paradise Fitness Center General Manager Mike Sgro. So Mike, what exactly is Paradise Center doing for this new mobile clinic?
We partnered up with Total Guam and Senator Dennis Rodriguez's team. At the end of the day, health is wealth, and just taking that convenience and really just trying to do the community outreach, reaching out to people. We're the major fitness sponsor of the event, so we'll be doing fitness assessments with our personal trainers. We'll be gathering biometric data as well. We're also giving out 100 complimentary one-month memberships to the community at all the different events.
Okay, so for those who don't know, maybe they've never done a fitness assessment, can you get into a little bit of detail of exactly what a fitness assessment consists of?
Yes, of course. So we all have different movement patterns. We all have different strengths and weaknesses. So basically the personal trainers will just look at your functional movement patterns to see how you sit, stand, walk, and run. Keep it real simple. And then from there, we'll get everyone's biometric data. So that way we know what type of foundation and what type of fitness level moving forward to customize the exercise prescription for them.
Okay, so they'll have you sit, stand, walk, run, and they kind of look to make sure that your form is right, or is it to see how much you can do?
Yes, of course. So like I said, everyone's fitness level is different. Once you figure out how your body moves and those proper movement mechanics, then it's easier to customize a program, and then it's easier to build a foundation.
Okay, so what about, I don't know too much about this, biometrics.
Yeah.
What does that mean and why is that important to know?
So biometric data is really just, it's just a number. Everyone always likes to look at the scale and they're always trying to lose weight. But at the end of the day, it's just to know where your body stands as far as your height to weight ratio and things like that. Then of course, with the doctors, they'll kind of prescribe you what type of physical activity, and then they come over to Paradise and then we'll help you jumpstart that.
Okay, so it has to do with your height to weight ratio.
Yeah.
Is there an ideal ratio for that?
Well, it really depends based off of course, your age and all those other factors that come into play. But at the end of the day, it's just move and improve. We're really just trying to get people more active, get the community to be aware of these things as well. And then again, people who can't afford health insurance, to see a doctor, to see a personal trainer, that really will be the deciding factor of where to go from there. Yeah.
Okay, so I know that those kind of services are offered here at Paradise Fitness Center, and I'm really lucky that I actually have a membership here at Paradise, so I have access to those services. And people, if they have health insurance, they can actually, some health insurances allow you to sign up for a Paradise Fitness Center membership.
Yeah, of course.
But if you don't have health insurance or if you don't have a membership, then people in the community may not ever have access to these kinds of services. And one of the biggest things here at Paradise Fitness Center is emphasizing that exercise is medicine. So can you tell us a little bit about that concept and why it's important?
Yeah, so the exercise is medicine. It's started by the American Medical Association, something that Paradise Fitness believes in. It's our main philosophy, our main mission to kind of jumpstart it into the community. So a lot of times you go to the doctor, you get on the scale, you get your weight, and they'll usually tell you have to be more physical activity. So you come to Paradise, we're kind of like the exercise pharmacy. We'll prescribe you what type of exercise prescription, what's your right daily dosage, depending on your body and depending on your fitness level, and of course, what kind of lifestyle you have. So that's really the major push, is at the end of the day, come get your daily dose. 30 minutes a day will keep the doctor away. It's something, that I believe in, and it's just really move and improve at the end of the day. Just come in, get your daily dose, and at the end of the day, it's preventable healthcare. So that's pretty much what the slogan stands for and what we believe in.
And that's so true. People don't think about exercise as preventative healthcare, but that's really what it is, especially in Guam, where there are so many non-communicable diseases. People have diabetes, they have heart disease, so all of these are tied into your lifestyle choices, and people make it a point. They take their annual physical, they go and they get their checks up by the doctor when something's wrong, but they don't realize that exercise is an important part of that healthcare regimen. Exactly. So you mentioned 30 minutes a day keeps the doctor away. So is that the kind of guideline that people should follow?
Well, at the end of the day, exercise, if you come in and you're active, and if you're living that sedentary lifestyle, with the mobile care clinic and reaching out to the community, that's the major role that we're trying to do. At the end of the day, health is wealth. We have all the resources needed. And when you go to the doctor, you know, they can already tell you to be active. So when you come here, our job is to take the guesswork out of your program. And we have so many different classes. We have all the amenities that you need on our platform. Deditos 24 hours now. Again, we're open from 4 a.m. to 10 p.m. We have a third location on the way as well. So, you know, a lot of good things and a lot of good benefits at your convenience. So it's really just, the hardest part is getting here. Once you get here, we'll make that a lot easier for you for that transition.
Okay, and so as far as the people who are going to be there providing these services, how do they know, or what kind of experience do they have and what kind of qualifications do they have?
So I know they are partnered up with various different doctors. I know there's even a dentist and eye clinic as well. So I believe if you can go on totalguam.com, there's a list of events for the community outreach. The first one is August 7th at the Chalampago baseball field.
All right, thank you so much,
Yeah,
Mike.
no problem. Thank you. Thanks for having me. Yeah.
Okay, well, definitely check that out. Again, that's August 7th. You can find more on totalguam.com. Well, stay tuned. We'll have more health, home, and lifestyle after the break.
Your community calendar is brought to you by Taco Bell. Whether it's your first meal or your fourth meal, we've got you covered. Taco Bell, live Más.